Sorry guys, I could not videotape while I was under the well and talk, because that's a very big hill. I think I got a picture of that hill. I don't know if you can see it from here, but that is a tall hill. My truck would not make it up that hill. And also a tow truck, large tow truck, could not pull me up that hill. He slid down the hill with me. So I ended up just sliding back down the hill backwards, and I'm gonna sit here for the night. See guys? And to be honest, this is like so exciting. It's not exciting if you freeze to death, but it is so exciting to me. I don't have much excitement in my life, and getting stuck in the snow 12 minutes away from where you're supposed to go is really kind of fun, kind of adventurous. I guess I haven't had enough adventures in my life, and I've been stuck in the snow a lot. I mean, a lot, because I'm, live in Chicago. I always get stuck in the snow in my little cars, but I've never been stuck in the snow in an 18-wheeler. So that, guys, is something new. So I'm going to get comfortable for tonight, because hopefully I'll be coming out to put down some I'm gonna put a reflector out here so people won't run into the back of my truck, although my flashers probably would be on all night. But they're driving too fast. Look at that. They're like sliding down this hill, and it's just nothing but ice. So the people going up, they have to turn around. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yeah, the people going up the hill, they usually can't make it. But let me see, this car is like really speeding. Oh, he's making it. Is he? Yeah, he made it. Now, it was another car before him, and he couldn't make it. He slid back down the hill. A little bitty car. But I guess if you go fast enough, you can make it up the hill. But the tow truck tried. I tried. Neither of us could pull me. I mean, I couldn't pull. There he goes. I couldn't make it up the hill because I have too much weight. See, what drivers do not understand is they don't know how much weight is in our trucks, or if there's any weight at all. And if we're carrying like over 40,000 pounds in the back of our truck, it's going to pull the truck back. And a lot of times we can't make it uphill. That's why you see 3 lanes on a lot of major highways, highways. The 3rd lane is for trucks to drive really slow, but they're not driving slow on purpose. They are driving slow because they have a heavy load. And the tractor isn't able to pull it at a fast speed. So then you get these mighty truckers or the tanker truckers that can pull whatever they have, milk, juice, whatever it is in the back of their trucks, and can pull it fast. Paper, plastic, whatever they have that's light in the back of their trucks, they zooming past you, sticking their middle fingers up. And I'm looking at them like, I want to pull you over and tell you I got like 40,000 pounds in my truck, and my truck just not pulling it. I'm not trying to sit here. I'm just really not trying to sit here and get on your nerves. I just can't go any faster. Okay. And then some of our trucks can only go 62. Unless you put it in cruise control, which you cannot use when it is snowing, when it is raining, when it is sleeting. Sleeting. Yeah, sleeting. That's it. Yeah. Can't use it. Because of traction thing. It's ran by traction. It slows down, like it has like a camera where if you get too close to someone, it'll slow you down, so you cannot use it in inclement weather. Even if it's just too much fog, I would not use cruise control in too much fog, and I wouldn't use it in traffic. Like some people put the cruise control on because traffic is moving at, just say 55 or something, and they'll put the cruise control on, but it's a lot of traffic, it's a lot of cars. I wouldn't use cruise control on that either. It has to be like an open highway, byway, whatever, and then I will use it. Okay. Well, this is my exciting night. I hope you enjoyed my video, the bits and pieces I could get for you, because of course I could not videotape at that time while I was doing it. In the future, I may be able to put a head cam on and do more, and let you see more of my trucking life, which I plan on doing. But I had to get some trucking money to buy the trucking equipment to do, the trucking camera equipment to do that. Thank you guys for watching. This is my exciting snow night. And I'm getting ready to put out a triangle or two. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. This is Angie, and I'm doing trucking.